When we founded the firm many years ago, our goal was to try to help people that were in need of help. And we felt we could do that as trial lawyers and also bring to account those who had done wrong to the people that we represent. The fact that the defense bar, the lawyers who represent the big insurance companies and the big corporations, have respect for our firm is really important for our clients' best interest. When we're on a case, we believe that the other side takes the case seriously. And we're going to have a war on our hands with them because when they see us on the case, they know that there's some serious fighting up ahead. Our main objective with each case we take is to provide the highest quality representation to achieve justice for the person that we undertake to represent. When we represent someone, we feel like we're carrying their banner into battle on their behalf. We feel like we're standing up and speaking for someone who cannot stand up and speak for themselves. We've been in the thick of battle many times on a variety of issues, and that makes us one of the leading trial firms in the state of California.